Let's look at this question. Okay, a sphere is measured for its diameter using a vernier caliper which gives reading of uncertainty plus minus 0.1 millimeter. So let's write down the information that they give. The diameter, the uncertainty of the diameter is plus minus 0.1 millimeter. Its mass is also measured using a mass balance which gives a reading of uncertainty plus minus 0.1 gram. So the uncertainty of the mass is plus minus 0.1 gram. The average diameter and the mass are recorded as follows. Okay, let's jot down what is the diameter. Red is 2.05 cm. What about the mass? The mass is 13.8 gram here. Okay, the density is calculated as 3.06 gram per cm cube. Okay, the density is 3.06 gram per cm cube. Okay, what they ask the uncertainty of the density. What is the uncertainty of the density? From this information here, we can quickly set up an equation that relates the density to the diameter and the mass. Okay, let's refer back. What is density? Density is mass over the volume, right? Okay, mass over, what volume is that? This is a sphere. What is the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. But there's one problem here. The r here is a radius, but here has no radius, here has diameter. So we need to change from the radius to become diameter. D over 2 is the radius. Okay, this is the equation that relate density, mass, and diameter. The rest are all constant. So do you still remember back what is the rule to write for the uncertainty for this division and multiplication of equation? Okay, the delta rho over rho is delta m over m, because this is only one m here. But you see the power here is d power cube. So we need to put 3 delta d over d. Alright. Now, what about delta rho? We do not know, we need to find. Rho, they've given us 3.06. What about delta m? Delta m is plus minus 0.1. So 0.1. M is 13.8. 13.8. 3 times of delta d. What is delta d? 0.1. What about d? 2.05. So in this case, how do we get our delta rho? Take out your calculator and count the values. So the values we got it is about 0.067 gram per cm cube. But do you still remember? This is uncertainty. Uncertainty, we can only put 1 SF. So 1 SF will be 0.07 gram per cm cube. That's why the answer is C.